So the most important question you need to ask yourself when buying a yacht is, why should I buy a yacht? And the answer to that typically falls into, who are you? And typically yacht purchasers fall into one of 5 categories. The first category of yacht purchasers is bachelors. These are the people that want to see and be seen on their yacht. These are the ones having the parties at the dock, full of bikini-clad women, drinking straight from the bottle, having the time of their lives. But again, everyone wants to be seen as a bachelor. While this is a relatively minority group of yacht owners, you always have this option no matter who you are to enjoy your yacht as such. The second type of yacht purchaser is retirees. Those that have been working for years and years, sacrificed so much. Now they have the opportunity to travel the world when they want, at whatever pace they want. Why buy a condo in a certain location when you can take your condo with you from location to location and have your friends meet you to enjoy the experiences on board with you as well? The third type of yacht purchaser is companies. Companies buy yachts to build their brand prestige, to entertain clients, to incentivize employees, and to obtain certain tax benefits. So it's always a viable option for companies, and although it can be a little ugly on the balance sheet, the dividends it pays off the balance sheet can also be really significant as well. The fourth type of yacht purchaser is divorcees. While a divorce, whether you're celebrating your divorce, you're upset about your divorce, it's undeniably new territory that you didn't plan on being in. So this is a great transitional tool. Whether you're reconnecting with people you might have fallen in touch, you're entertaining new guests or people you meet, or just giving yourself a way to escape what's been going on and the frustrations that you've had, a yacht is a great sense of refuge for this, or distraction, should I say. The fifth type of yacht purchaser, which is the most common type of yacht purchaser, is families. Whether it's your kids, your grandkids, your friends, if you want them to have ear-to-ear grins saying, that was the best vacation we ever went on, or I can't wait to get out on the boat again, a yacht provides enriched family experiences. Maybe your wife or your girlfriend is tanning up on the sunbed on the bow. Your kids are participating in water sport off the aft deck. And at night, after you're eating dinner, everyone's sitting in the same confined space with the options to do what they want all together for greater family experiences. So it's not uncommon for people to fall into a couple of these categories. I'm curious, which one do you fall into? Feel free to comment below. Also, check out other videos within this channel. Head over to my website, www.theyachthunter.com, for other yacht purchasing resources to help you in purchasing your yacht as well. So, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.